Ona ukiona tugikura uguo kuri ni tugikuri ndu iguthukaga tondu riri turera tume kukanariro na ikero tukirawo ni twititie ni ithu ni gukombora tukomboraga kundu guku na turi akombori.
And today we are here in Ruringo Stadium to make sure we prepare for the official launch of the development and construction of the Ruringo Stadium. As you have seen, we had a lot of young people who actually thought the work is beginning right now, and they have come to see what work they can do. So the public here, the local community is very, very supportive of this process.